from Mary Poppins by Richard M. Sherman and Robert B. Sherman. And as in many children's movies, it preaches a message of compassion that doesn't seem to translate to adulthood. But this is about very much an adult, an old pigeon lady who is eating the bird.
Show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones, they're hungry, they're not so dead. All it takes is something from the bird. Poppins, the bird. Poppins, 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 the bird. The bird, that's what she cries. Wide overhead, the bird to the sky. All along the cathedral is made, and the poppins look down as she sails away. Although you can see it, you know they are smiling. Each time someone shows that she cares. I'm she's falling to you.
Performing an original song about pigeons here in the first commemoration, hopefully a long and continuing tradition of National Pigeon.